Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. So if you want to know what's in these two beautiful glam bags here, then keep on watching. So first off guys, sorry about my messy makeup table. Terry's corner is currently under construction. Not really. I mean, I've just decided that I want to move Terry's corner to another corner. I think it's just this change of seasons and I felt like it was time for a change. For now, you guys have to deal with all of my makeup right there. It's not too much, right? Let's pretend I'm not obsessed and let's get into the Ipsy Glam Bags. So for the month of October, Ipsy Open Studios sent me their October Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Wow. I want to first off say thank you to Ipsy for gifting me these two bags. Everything in these two glam bags are free. And so I'm super grateful and thankful for this opportunity and for them sending me all these amazing products. Now, last month wasn't the most exciting bag, but this month, guys, is super exciting. It's kind of like the bag before that, which was like Alicia Keys kind of level. Let's go ahead and start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. Look at this bag. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh. And the tassel, hold on, let's remove the plastic. Usually the tassel says like Ipsy, like the zipper thingy, and now it's like a spider. They really went all out with the theme this month, the Halloween theme. This is the card and the theme for this month is Halloween. Get it? And oh, speaking of hauls, guys, every other month I have hauls, like makeup hauls, lifestyle hauls, and it's a collab with all of my friends here on YouTube, and it's amazing because you get to see all of the products that are possibly on sale, all the good products, like super interesting stuff from lifestyle, fitness, beauty, home, everything. Be on the lookout for those monthly hauls. But today it's all about Ipsy, the October 2022 Glam Bag. I will put the pricing of the Glam Bags here. So for the regular Glam Bag, this is their cheapest subscription. It's around $14 a month. You can see there's that Ipsy. This one has a Halloween theme. I love the black bag. I don't think I've gotten any black bags from Ipsy yet. And look at the zipper. It's purple. Amazing. Inside is all black. I wonder if it has the Ipsy logo. No, but that's okay because the contents in here, guys, I already peeked. I couldn't resist. I knew what the bags look like, but I didn't know what the products were going to be. I have to say it's one of the best. It's one of the best. Let's just get into it. The first one is a travel size Bare Minerals lipstick. Is it a lipstick? It's a mineralist lasting matte liquid lipstick. Ooh, this looks like something I would really like. Yeah, it's kind of like a, I don't know how to say it, like a orangey peachy color, but it's for deeper skin tones. I mean, this might even work with my makeup look today. Let's just try it. Okay. What do you guys think? I feel like this lip color goes really well with my makeup look today. Like it just brightened up my lips because I think my lipstick was a little too nude, right? Love it. Okay, this is in the color Glimmer. I will put the name of it here somewhere. You know what? I've never tried a Bare Minerals liquid lipstick. What a start. And for $14, come on. Like brand names like Bare Minerals and like Tarte and all of that, their travel size products are usually $10 to maybe $14. So this almost paid for the bag itself. Ooh, there's my coffee. The next item, okay, I'm going to save the full-size item. Next one is the Magic Tattoo Intense Volume Mascara by Ditto. Ooh, this looks like a colorful mascara. Are you guys seeing kind of like a purple shift to this packaging? Because I'm kind of seeing it. I don't know. That would be cool if that's like a purple or bluish mascara, right? The first time I tried colorful mascaras, they're insane. I love how different they are. I reviewed mascaras that are hypoallergenic, and so in case you guys are interested, I had a lineup of hypoallergenic mascaras that are good for the eyes. So in case you have sensitive eyes, check out that video. I'll link it in the description box below or in the comment. And Copari Ultra Restore Body Butter. Ooh. The only thing I've tried from Copari is their deodorant. Love the packaging, first off. It's like a very nude, brownie nude color, like beige. And then it's a body butter with hyaluronic acid. Let's go ahead and try it. It's that time of the year where I open up all of my hand lotions. Why is it being difficult? So let's see. I need hand lotion anyway. It has a very mild scent. I like it. Copari is an amazing brand, but I just haven't explored the brand as a whole yet. So I'm excited to get that. That's a good one. It just fully absorbs into your skin. Okay, so the next two items, guys, are full size. Did they think this was a Glam Bag Plus? I'm surprised I got two full size items. It's not like full size items that I don't know. That's what I get excited for. Don't get me wrong, I love to explore other brands and try other brands, but I also get excited for brands that I can easily purchase at Sephora or Ulta. So, you know, when I see them in my bag, I get super excited. You guys, you have to get this glam bag. You can't miss out on the October glam bag. It's too good. It's too good. Are you guys ready for this? Fenty Beauties Heat Gloss Balm in the color Hot Cherry. Whoa. I don't normally use Hot Cherry, but you know what? This is my first time. So whenever I want to try a brand or a product for the first time, I just have to go for it. You know, just kind of check out the formula. And when I saw this, come on, how can I not keep this? This is too good. Let's see. I love the packaging. Fenty, like, packaging is always A+. So I tried this last night and it's a lip plumper. So there's that. It's just super glossy and super transparent kind of, but I feel like they did that so that it can go with the lipstick. So definitely a nice duo, and I did try it with the lipstick the other day and it was amazing. It has kind of like a tingling sensation, like all plumping lipsticks are. You know, it kind of hurts your lips a little bit. They say tingling, but it kind of hurts, but in a good way. This color might not be my go-to color all the time, but I would use it to kind of lighten up my lipsticks, you know, when it gets too dark or too deep. That's how I would use it. And then the last one in my Ipsy Glam Bag, guys, is Kat Von D's Tattoo Pencil Liner. Oh my gosh, I've never tried this before, but I think I've tried their liquid liners, but not their pencil liners. Wow. And I'm all about the pencil liner more than the liquid. Even though I have a wing today using a liquid liner, I'm really more about the pencil liner. This looks like this is something that you would sharpen. Nope, it's a twist up. And it's in the color Vendetta Green. What? All right, I gotta swatch this. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a ashy black. Yesterday evening, I thought it was actually gray or like a very light black, but oh, I love this. It's like a muted down green. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, this is the time. I'll make sure to link Ipsy down below in case you guys are planning to subscribe. Even though this was gifted to me and I don't know what Ipsy would normally send me, if I were to choose my own products, I would definitely 100% get all of these. And why I got two full-size items, I don't know, but that is just amazing. The bag is amazing. This is a bag that I will keep forever. I might even display it. Look at the spider web design. Super pretty. I tell you guys, all of this was gifted to me. I'd be happy to just get Glam Bag, but you didn't hear that. I am floored that they also send us the Glam Bag Plus. So here's the Glam Bag Plus. The pricing has changed, but I think it's closer to $30 now. But you would normally get 5 full-size items, and the value is around $120. Let's admire the bag first of all. Yes, very pretty. It's got snakes, it's got jack-o'-lanterns and scary pumpkins, and it's got the skull. Like, wow, my daughter already claimed this bag. I don't know what she's going to use it for, but I even want to just use it for something. Comment down below what you would use these drawstring bags for. I love the drawstring and it's good quality. It's got the Ipsy logo right there. Wow. First up is the YC Collection brush. I love this brush. I love the shape of it. I can always use this right under my eye. So this is how I would normally set my concealer with a powder using this brush. Like, it's flat and pointy and it gets to the crevices. Like, can you guys see that? Oh my gosh. It fits my under eyes like a glove. Like, it pats down the product without spreading it all over the face. Because it's pointy at the tip, it kind of gives you a little flick, you know, it raises your face a little bit. I love the pink handle and the pink bristles. So yes. So first, full-size item. Oh gosh, I don't even know which one to show you guys first because they're all amazing. The Balancing Gel Hydrator Marine Probiotic and Herbal Complex by Earth and Harbor. So it's a moisturizer, guys. It's a facial moisturizer. Let's see her. Oh, and that blue, guys, this ocean blue looking, it's glass. Whoa. I feel like this is another vegan product. I wonder if that's a theme. They are committed to helping protect the ocean. Yep, it's an all-natural product, plant-based, holistic, vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable product, no gluten, no soy, and only small batches are made, and it's women-owned. So wow. Okay, I was planning not to keep this, but after hearing all about the benefits, I think I'm gonna keep it. This is good morning and night for all skin types. I love the color of that moisturizer. A+. Okay, let's go with the palette, guys. The palette name is Fall Edit, and it's from the brand Estate. This is so fall. What do you call this? Is it like plaid or flannel type of material? They are kind of neutral colors, but look at that. Oh, I love that kind of yellowy orange gold. There's that orange color. You know, I was looking for an orange color this morning for my eyes. I was in a hurry. I couldn't quite find the orange that I wanted. Should I keep this? I don't know. Okay, let me know, guys, in the comments if I should keep this. The colors are definitely up my alley. Like, this is like everyday colors. Or maybe I'll put it in a giveaway. I don't know. It's too good. Maybe we'll do like a Christmas giveaway. So, coming soon, guys. Fourth item is Dew of the Gods. I've got the Dew of the Gods, like a hand scrub a couple of months ago. But I love that it's in a tin can. Isn't that cool? I haven't seen this kind of packaging in so long. Look at that. So, you know what this is? You're not going to believe it. It's an under-eye volumizing collagen pads. Single-use eye patches. Does anyone else feel personally attacked by dark under-eye circles? Yes. My designer bags are legit, guys, but eye patches are my favorite. Like, I get excited for any type of eye patches, and all I want to do is like open them up all together at the same time and just put them on my eyes. I love the idea of individual patches. I feel like it keeps the serum in the eye patch more fresh. Oh, I love that there's an expiration date there too. There's 10 of these. Perfect for travel. Have you guys seen my skincare products for travel? I love to bring these individual packets of eye patches. You don't have to bring a big jar, so it's amazing. And I love the tin can idea. I haven't seen this in years, like since I was a kid. If you guys can think of like anything from your childhood that was in a tin can like that, Comment it down below. The last item, guys, it's the least expensive, I feel like, but it's my most favorite. It is a full-size e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Balm. I've always wanted to try this. e.l.f. can be hit and miss, but when they're good, they're good. You know, I mean, that happens to any brand, whether you're high-end luxury or drugstore or cheaper. It's a makeup remover. I love this for the eyes. I'm definitely gonna try this tonight. My favorite cleansing balm is by Clinique, the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. You guys need to get that. It's amazing. I haven't found a brand that is better than Clinique, whether more affordable or more expensive brand. So I'm curious how e.l.f. is gonna hold up. This is one of e.l.f.'s clean beauty, vegan, and it's cruelty-free. Wow. So e.l.f. isn't all vegan and cruelty-free, if I'm not mistaken, but some of their product lines are vegan and cruelty-free, and this is one of them. So it has the little spatula right here. Oh, something about blue. Like blue and green packaging gets me. And blue reminds me of my friend Jackie from Jackie Naturals. So check her out. She's a good friend of mine on YouTube and she's super sweet. There's no scent, but it's just like a solid balm. I would just grab like a handful and then just rub it in, and it's gonna slowly melt. The warmth of your face will slowly melt the balm, and as you rub it, it's going to start melting all of the makeup. Oil breaks down makeup. Let's see how good it is. I know with Clinique, even though it's like an oil-based kind of makeup remover, it is not oily. Once you rinse it off, it doesn't leave an oily residue. What do you guys think? So we got all 5 items here. Comment down below what your favorite item is from everything that I got from Ipsy. The theme is on point. Whether this adds up to 120 or not, I honestly don't care, because everything in here I know I can use. Everything in here looks like it's good quality. So these are all for me. Just want to say thank you again to Ipsy. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I'm just so thankful and grateful that they allowed me to be a part of the open studios. Like, I think I'm going on my 6th month with them, and them sending me all of these goodies, and sometimes they're even bigger, like the Ipsy X with Alicia Keys. Like, what? I think Ipsy X is coming up soon. I'd be curious. Be on the lookout for that, guys. I wonder if Ipsy will send me that. I don't know. I can only hope. But for now, I am going to enjoy all of these products. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I think we're on the same page. You guys know. It's an amazing box. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out. Join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.